just to understand, what is your opinion about the future? Say for the next 24 months, what do you guys think? Because a lot of investors in Dubai are fearing that एक time ऐसा आ जाएगा that it will be impossible for them to afford it.
If you look at the plan, what government has and what government did in last few years, let's say Al Maktoum International Airport,
जी.
getting built soon, right? The delivery is around 2030,
हाँ.
right? So the moment it was announced, if you look at the Emirates Road, वहाँ के prices अचानक से बढ़े. And prices are not only because of that, there are so many other factors. Why I told you that it's safest city, people are very keen to move to Dubai.
Yeah.
The population is increasing.
Yeah.
One of the agenda of government is to increase the population
हाँ.
by 3.6. 3.6 is already there.
अभी 3.8 हो गया
3.8 हो गया है, right?
But they are, I think the agenda is 4.5 by 2030.
About 5 million.
Yes, about 5 million.
Yes.
So,
Above 5
and it's already happening, you know.
Yeah.
If you look at the golden visa issuance last year, the number will be amazed.
Yes.
People who are visiting Dubai, Dubai Mall is world's, not even world's, Earth, the only place on Earth which was most visited on entire
In
Earth.
2023.
In 2024.
Ah,
2023 also and
okay.
2024 also.
अच्छा.
2023 it was 105 million visitors
Yeah.
on Dubai Mall, and 2024 was 110, I guess. Right.
Okay.
So the fact is that the population is actually increasing, and it's completely demand supply. See, the more people will come here, they will need home to stay.
हाँ.
Where they would stay. And not everyone can afford downtown.
Correct.
Not everyone can afford Business Bay, right?
True.
They need to have a place for them.
Correct.
So prices, what are there in the market right now, are not high price. Is the actual, the price of today's market. And if you don't buy today, tomorrow you won't be able to afford it.
It's gonna go high.
It will go high. So anyone who says there will be a correction is always required where, it's actually inflated. Then you may think that, okay, this tend to correct the prices. But right now in the market, correction is not required at all.
And there is data to back it up.
और भी बात करते हैं तो जो डेवलपर्स है जो आज की डेट में प्रोजेक्ट्स लॉन्च कर रहे हैं मार्केट में ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि हाँ मार्केट में करेक्शन आएगी बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही है ऐसी बट जो हम बात करें जो प्रोजेक्ट्स लॉन्च हो रहे हैं वो आज की रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रहे ये प्रोजेक्ट जो लॉन्च हो रहे हैं वो 29 to 2032 की रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से लॉन्च हो रहे हैं